This is yours? Okay.
No cheese. I put some
You want-
sauce. Okay.
You want this?
I don't
Oh, this is the only one left. Okay. So we'll just share. Okay, then sauce. Ayan, oh. Hello mga kaibigan, oh. Para sa mga bulilit na kano. That's it?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. CJ, this is yours.
Mix it up. Mix.
Ayan. Do you have enough sauce? Here, more crouton.
Okay.
You're welcome.
I'm mixing this up. Let me try the crouton.
Here, bud. You need more sauce? Boy? More sauce? Oops. Here, buddy.
Oh, okay.
You want more sauce? Yeah, I think more sauce is better. You want more sauce, CJ? No?
Yeah, very good.
More sauce? Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Green na tayo. Yan sila mga kaibigan. Si Agoy-Agoy, oh. Here's ate. Here's for you. One for you. One for you. You want lemon or no? Huh?
Can you give me a cup and put some water? I'll put this one in.
Okay. Oh, you ask why?
Please.
CJ, please wait. Please wait, huh? Don't rush with me. Get away. Oh. Alright. Yan mga kaibigan. Put in there.
No.
Okay. You wanna put in your lemon, Goy? I mean water?
Yes. Okay.
Hello mga kaibigan.
You sitting with me.
Si Tay kay Agoy. What do you want, CJ? Oh, it's this one? This one? Cheese? Ah, okay. Bigyan ko muna si CJ ng cheese. Kala ko ayaw niya ng cheese. Gusto pala niya ng cheese. Okay, I give you the cheese. Gusto rin ni CJ ang cheese. Kain tayo mga kaibigan. Gaano-ano na kami. Gulay-gulay na lang. Gulay-gulay na lang kami. Sarap din. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What you gonna say?
Making my favorite.
CJ, what you gonna say?
Let's go.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Water in the middle. Mm-hmm. You're welcome. Hmm? Eat your food, CJ. Okay. When you eat your food. Come on. Almost done, guys.
I was eating so quick. No!
She's just gone.
I used some secret from...
Kain tayo mga kaibigan. Okay. CJ, unsa man eh? You sit right there, Goy. Gustong umupo sa tabi ng nanay. Oh, tingnan mo. Ayan, gusto niyo tumabi sa akin. Hello sa inyo, Jam. Gulay na la gulay. Salad-salad na. I don't have protons here. Proton is good. Wait. Sikit yung daron niya. Doon Julio. Doon Julio. Say hi. Ay! No. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Okay.
Pick it up. Tapon-tapon niya yung ano, oh. Go, you wanna add some more?
No. Oh.
Yes, CJ. Okay.
Okay.
Well, you finish everything, boy. The best. So use this napkin. And put on your lap. Ayan. Kain na. Ubos na yung kagagoy. Good job, girl.
Yes.
Finish. You want dagdag?
Nothing.
No more dagdag?
That's a candy.
Okay, later.
After she's done.
It's not the candy. We gotta finish the chocolate in there.
Aww.
Okay, then that's not that one of the choice.
Oh, I know what kind. Ow! I know what kind of chocolate.
Okay, Joe, you gotta wait for me until CJ's done.
Ow. Meh. Oh my God.
Yes, I wanna put closer. Pakainin ang bulilit ng kulay. Oh, you want some more? No? Okay. Puro green. Walang karne yan. You need some more napkin, bud? There's a new one. Ayan. Put on the side. No. Sige, go get it. Go get it. You're not supposed to put in the there. I told you to put in the side. Here. Here, because we still need that.
Ow.
Nope. Nope. This, you still need it. You can use, gamitin mo pa yan. Okay. Oh, no water. Okay. Thank you for the water. Salamat po.
Mommy, you said something to me, Mom. When we're in, like we're in. You said something to me,
Yes.
Mama.
Oh, a ducky. Okay. Kasi Oh, sorry.
Mama,
Yes.
you said something to the mall. You said you,
No.
we went
We're-
somewhere. We went to the mall and you told me something.
What?
You said, you want a toy. You have to clean. You have to do the house, like wash the dishes, clean it up,
Mhm.
and I will buy you a toy. I
didn't
mean,
say
you
that.
buy me a toy.
I did not say that.
Yes, you did. You told me that
Oh,
in
no.
the mall.
Oh,
Wait, you told me that in the mall, Mama.
this
Mommy, you tell me in the mall.
Okay. I'm not going. I didn't.
You didn't.
Yeah, but that time you didn't do that.
I did. I cleaned up.
When? Today? That's not on the instructions. Only the time when we went there. Kain pa siya ko si CJ. Kami busog na.
my master. My master. My master.
Mhm. Ingat po kayo dyan mga kaibigan. Magandang araw. Kita na ulit tayo mamaya. Si CJ na lang ang aming hinihintay. You want cookie or chocolate? Okay. Tapusin mo natin si CJ. Okay? Ingat po mga kaibigan. God bless. Magandang araw sa inyo dyan. Kita lang tayo mamaya. CJ, go down. Sit down kay malaglag ka dyan. Okay, bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Goy?
I married because you laughed at me.
God bless. Good morning.